Today, I'm going to show you how to cut string or rope if you haven't got scissors or a knife handy. You can see this stuff is actually quite thick, and it's far too strong for me to break by hand. If you need a precise length cut off, measure it out and put a mark on the string. Next, we're going to clamp the string with our feet and put the point where we want to cut right at the top, like this. Then put the other end of the string underneath, and with a little upwards pull, start using the string with a sawing motion, like this. After a few seconds, you should find it cut right through. Pretty cool, huh? I found this technique even works really well with thick nylon rope. And if the ends unravel, you can just twist them back together. But what's even more surprising is I found you can actually cut this thick nylon rope with just a thin piece of cotton string.